sex on a first date? Are you kidding me? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyles and beauty videos. If you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. I am doing a subscriber Q&A for one of my videos, I think for next week. So if you guys have questions that you'd like to ask me, go ahead and comment it down below. And today's video, as you guys see from the title, I'm asking questions girls have that they're afraid to ask boys. So I typed that in on Google and these are the questions I found and I sent them out. I made a list, sent them out, and these are the responses. So without further ado, let us get into the video. Alright guys, so the questions and answers are right here on this handy dandy phone. So this was quite an interesting adventure. I want to do a video on YouTube about asking questions girls are afraid to ask. And the first question, guys, was, do guys talk about girls like girls talk about guys? And I have the responses here and I'm gonna just go through and tell you guys what they said. So one guy number one says, I don't know because I'm not sure how girls talk about guys, but yeah, we do talk about girls almost every little detail. Just like how girls have one friend that we talk some secret to them. Yeah, yes and no, mainly depending on the person. So yeah, I think girls do that too, right? I don't think it's everybody we sit down and, you know, talk about. It's gonna be some kind of girl. Some guys, not all. All right, so the next person said, sometimes it's like reversal, I think. Yeah. And then, yes, we do talk about girls, maybe not the way how women talk about us though. How do we talk about men though? I don't know. I don't know, because I don't let me know in the comments down below if you and your girlfriends, you know, talk about guys very often. I don't talk a lot anyways. Definitely, so they do definitely talk about girls. And then the last person says, guys talk about girls more than how girls talk about guys. And I like the honesty. Thank you for the honesty. Yes, so yeah, I feel so too. I don't know why. I think like guys would actually sit down and talk about every girl, you get me I say, or every little girl that they like. Girls, I don't know, I don't think so. I think we're more secretive than guys, so we don't really talk that much about guys. All right, so the second question we have here, what are big turn-offs for guys? And these are their responses. So each guy has their own turn-off. So that's what he said. When she is too shallow, and I agree with that. I don't know with that. I think that goes for both girls and boys. All right, so next one says selfish or degrading nature. Yeah, and what I did, guys, I didn't just send these questions to guys that I know are Christians, that I know, you know, might give me what you want to hear. I sent them to guys that I know aren't Christian, so they'll give you the raw truth. Cool? Yeah. All right, then the next one says, well, it depends on how, well, it depends. You have different categories, but in general, a pretty face, but when she talk in your face. I'm guessing he means like when a girl mouth stink, because it come, I'll put the message here. I won't put the person's name, but I'll put the message here so you'll see the emojis and everything. If she's too common and if she's too friendly and if she's too ghetto or vulgar. Vulgar. So yeah, that's the next one. What are the biggest deal breakers for men? And the first one I have here, if she independent, well, for me it is. All right, so when you give them bun, so that's the biggest deal breaker. So bun as in when you cheat, for those who don't know, in like America and such, when you give bun, the matter about they're talking about when you cheat on your partner and so on. All right, so next one, dishonesty and poor hygiene, lacking communication. So deal breaker, lacking communication, is basically the same thing like cheating. So he's saying that if she's talking to another guy and you know, you tell her to stop and she don't stop, so yes, that's a big deal breaker. And if she does things that he doesn't like, so that's the other deal breaker. What's your favorite thing for a girl to wear? Sexy lingerie, nothing or nice tight dress. Like seriously, lingerie minimal, okay. Short skirt or panties and long blouse the sexy way. It depends on the mood. Sometimes she looks good wearing our clothes, she's cute in lingerie or even in a dress. It varies. So yeah, those are the responses from that person. The next one says short clothing. All right, so that's what men like to see us ladies wear. Anyways, all right, so next one, what do you notice first about a girl? And this is interesting. All right, so I want to know this. I really want to know this. So this person says her looks and shape, then personality, which is true. I know some persons will look at it and say, oh, the first thing I see in a girl or a guy is their personality. Really? Really? Are you really gonna tell me that before you even look at a guy's face or a girl's face, that you're gonna look at their personality? How you gonna see it if you don't look at them face? Yeah, I feel like something physical about them before you can actually like their personality. Good? Yeah. All right, so I agree with that. Her boobs or her butt, depending on the direction she's coming from. He looks for body type, so that's the first thing he noticed is body type. And then first I noticed the face and examine boobs, butt and tummy. Looks, then personality, in that same order, which I say is only fair. So sometimes her looks and shape. All right, the next one I have here, would you care if your girlfriend had a lot of guy friends? And yeah, these are the responses. So the first one says yes, especially if she's too friendly with them. If she knows how to put me first when it matters most, I don't have a problem if she don't, you know. Oh, if she don't, then the problem. So if he's saying that yes, it depends on, you know, how close she is with these friends. And if she is, you know, if she's close, because like my best friend, Mrs. Shanique, she has a lot of guy friends, you get me I say. But I guess this guy is saying yes, you can have a lot of guy friends, but you need to put me first when it matters the most, which is true. Yes, so this person cares that this person his girlfriend has a lot of guy friends. No, so this person does not care. So I guess some guys care, some don't, which is natural. I'd probably overreact if she have a lot of male friends. I know where that's going. I don't think so, because I have a lot of guy friends. I don't know, I have a lot of guy friends and I'm not with any of them. So all right, of course she belongs to the streets. I'm supposed to be her only guy best friend. Kidding. If boundaries are established, why not? So I like this. So, you know, you're gonna talk with whoever you're dating and let them know this is this, if this, you know, you need to set boundaries. So I get this. I got what he means. And the next person says, depends on the type of guy friends. If a nigga when me rate, me woulda say, yeah, you can go and do your thing, but not get too close. I understand that. All right, so next question, what would you want to do on a first date? And these are the things. So the first person says talk, get to know each other. Sex on a first date? Are you kidding me? All right, let's just go chill at the beach. That's cool. First dates, I like to take the time out for us to know each other. A hug can tell where it goes after the date, as if we are gonna continue dating or not. Understand? So next person, romantic restaurant. Then the next person, if it's relationship wise, I would like to know more about my relationship, what I stand for in her life, and how much me mean to her. We will discuss more about our relationship, etc. So basically getting to know the person. And then my last question that I asked, which I think a lot of girls would like to know this: makeup or no makeup, especially the girls that like makeup like me. Makeup or no makeup. First person says no really matter, it helps but not heavy, depends. And then one says prefer no makeup, and then a little makeup is okay depending on what the cover up is, don't overdo it. No makeup. And then the next person says yes, me like makeup, I really do, so I would say makeup. So yeah, that is it. I think those were interesting questions, interesting answers. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I thank the persons who sent me the answers for these questions. Thank you guys so much. I know some of them were a bit rushed, especially the ones I asked today, so thank you so much for answering me. I did say to them that I would not include their names, so that is why I did not include a name. So thank you so much for answering me, and thank you guys for making it to the end of my video. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Like this video, comment something down below, share with your friends, give them, you know, just share with them what guys are thinking. Yeah, if you're a girl, comment the queen emoji down below. If you're a guy, then comment the peace emoji. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.